this much I'll stop in the previous class. Now I'll start how do they behave, ಯಾವ ಥರ ಅವರು ಬಿಹೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Polar bears live, hunt and mate in the Arctic regions. They generally live on their own except when they are breeding and taking care of their cubs. They are extremely strong swimmers but generally do not prefer swimming long distance as this consumes a lot of energy. The hibernation in polar bears is only seen in males and breeding females. See here, children, these types of polar bears will found in the Arctic region. ಯಾವ ಥರ ಅವ್ರು ಬಿಹೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, they behave rudely when they are cubs means ಅವ್ರ ಮಕ್ಕಳು. polar bear cubs ಆ ಕಬ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಹರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ they will ಅವರು ಮತ್ತೆ ರೂಡ್ಲಿ ಬಿಹೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ. ಬಟ್ polar bears ಹಾಗೆ ಅವರು ಸ್ವಿಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, they do nicely swim ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅವರು ಲಾಂಗ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ they were very fat. For this reason they do not travel distance. How do they reproduce? Mama bears ate a lot during pregnancy so as to build up their fat reserves for the winter. They give birth in winter. The swans generally have 1 or 2 cubs weighing a pound each. These cubs are born while their mother are hibernating. The mother takes care of their cubs for around 28 months. During this time, they are taught several skills by their mothers. Male polar bears do not play any role in raising the cubs. Sometimes the male may even kill young cubs. See here how they reproduce. ಯಾವ ಥರ ಅವರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಜನರೇಷನ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೊರೆಯುತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ the polar bears women female polar bears will born the babies. Usually human beings also female will born the babies. Like this female polar bears will born the babies, but they born only 2. Maximum ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 cubs ಅವರು born ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ weight ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, weight ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆವಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. and the mother care, ಅವರು ಪ್ರೆಗ್ನೆನ್ಸಿ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ polar bears, when they was in pregnant they ate more food. For this reason the cubs also more weighted. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವರು 28 months ಅವ್ರು ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಸಣ್ಣ ಕಬ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ 28 months ಅವ್ರು ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಹೌ ದೇ ಥಾಟ್ಸ್ ಸೆವರಲ್, ಯಾವ ಥರ ತಿನ್ಬೇಕು, ಅದೇನು ಹೌ ದೇ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್, ಯಾವ ಥರ ಓಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ಥರ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಲಿಸಿ ಅವರ ಆಚೆಗಡೆ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. They treat to polar bears. Climate changes and global warming is affecting the population of polar bears. They are now considered an endangered species. Due to the melting of ice, polar bears are finding it more and more difficult to hunt, travel and breed. In spite of being land mammals, they are forced to spend more and more time in the Arctic waters. Due to the climate changes, it's very risk to live polar bears. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Due to the climate changes, the ice will be melt. It convert to water. For this reason, they not live in a more and more times. Okay. Species means a group of animals. Mammals. Our mammals ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಬ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಫೀಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಕಬ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಫೀಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ವ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ ಥರ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ದ ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್. Due to the imminent development in oil and gas field, oil spills are frequently. These oil spills not only came from oil and gas drilling but also from unregulated Arctic shipping. Oil spills harm polar bears in two ways: by contaminating their natural habitat and by killing their prey. Due to the oil elimination or development in oil and gas fields. ಈಗ ಐಸ್ ಆರ್ಕಿಟಿಕ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಐಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಆಯಿಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್. ಇದು ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಅದೇನು ಕೂಲರ್ ಐಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಕಿಟಿಕ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಡೆಸ್ಟ್ರಾಯ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ವಾಟರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯಿಲ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಕೂಲರ್ ಬೇರ್ಸ್ ಅವರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬಾಳಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ ದ ಹೋಲ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ದ ಕೂಲರ್ ಬೇರ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಏನು ಕಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಆ ತರದ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನಾವು. ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ರೀಸನ್ ದೇ ಅವರು ಸತ್ತು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. It is not late yet. Polar bears can still be saved from extinction. Let us hope that man does not lose out on such a beautiful species because of his reckless action and mindless pursuits. See, reckless means careless. Due to the careless